How to set all specific archive or taxonomy pages to Noindex. Hide from search engine crawlers. In this example, we are using WordPress and a plugin called Yoast SEO. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the Yoast SEO tab, then search appearance. For this tutorial, we are going to set Noindex to all tag archive pages. Currently, we have to post tags namely animals and people. If you want a specific tag to set a Noindex, you can go ahead and open it, then scroll down to the Yoast SEO menu. On the Advanced tab, set the select field to know, which means Noindex. Now, if you want all these tags and future tags to be Noindexed, go to the Taxonomies tab. Select the Tags toggle and open it. And set the Show Tags to search results to know. Save changes. Finally, all of your tag archive pages are now set to Noindex. To check, open a tag page. Right-click on the page, and click Inspect. Hit Ctrl F to search and type in Noindex. If Noindex appears, it means we successfully enabled it on these pages. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.